Hello students, welcome to My Edgar Academy. In today's session, we are going to discuss some questions based on the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. Let's start today's session with an assertion and reasoning type question. The assertion statement is boiled leaf cell absorbs water through osmosis. And the reason statement given in support is water molecules flow from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. We have already learned that the plasma membrane of boiled rheol leaf cells is dead, and so there will be no entry or exit of water molecules. Thus, osmosis does not take place. Hence, the given assertion statement is false because boiled leaf cell cannot absorb water through osmosis. We know that water molecules flow from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, and this process is known as osmosis. So, the given reason statement is true. Hence, the correct answer is option D, that is, assertion is false but reason is true. Let's move on to the second question. When boiled rheol leaf is placed in a hypotonic solution, it swells, shrinks, has no change, and first swells and then shrinks. In the first question itself, we said that the plasma membrane of boiled rheol leaf cells is dead, and so there will be no entry or exit of water molecules. That is, osmosis does not take place. So, when boiled rheol leaf is placed in a hypotonic solution, it will have no change. Hence, the correct answer is option C, it has no change. Now, let's move on to the third question. A de-shelled raw egg and a thinner section of a leaf are placed in a hypotonic solution separately. After some time, the egg swells and bursts. What happens to the leaf cells and why? Here, a de-shelled raw egg is placed in a hypotonic solution. It absorbs water molecules from the surrounding medium, and it swells and consequently bursts as it has no cell wall. Here, we can see the microscopic view of rheol leaf cells in a hypotonic solution. Here also, the leaf cells swell by absorbing water molecules from the surrounding medium, but they will not burst due to the presence of the cell wall. This is because as the cell swells up, it exerts pressure against the cell wall, and the cell wall exerts equal pressure against the swollen cell. Thus, the cell wall of the plant cell helps them to withstand the external hypotonic media without bursting. Now for the fourth question. Replace the underlined word if necessary for the correction of this statement. The outer envelope of the leaf cell is the cell wall. The given options are cell membrane, lipid sheath, protein cover, and no mistake. In plant cells, in addition to the cell membrane, they have an outer envelope called the cell wall. So, the given statement is correct as the outer envelope of the leaf cell is the cell wall. Hence, the correct answer is option D, there is no mistake. Moving on to the final question. Pick the odd one and justify your answer. The given options are bacteria, amoeba, mushroom cell and rheo cell. We have already learned that the cell wall is present in bacteria, fungus and plant cells, but it is absent in amoeba. So, we can say that bacteria, mushroom cell and rheo cell belongs to the same group as they all have cell wall, whereas amoeba does not have cell wall. And so, the odd one from the given list is amoeba. That's all for today. Hope you all understood. Happy learning. Thank you.